Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide rows in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. Here I have already opened one. And here you can see after 1 and 2 row, there are some rows are missing. So what I would do is I will simply go to this format button and click on hide and unhide, and then click on unhide rows. Here you can see my rows are appeared, and from 1 to 6 they all are here. So this is how you can unhide your rows. So hope this video will be useful for you. If it is, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.